Myself, Apeksha Mushti from final year, presenting a topic on Avabahuka from the Department of Panchakarma. Avabahuka is a disease that usually affects the Amsha Sandhi. It is produced by Vata dosha. Even though the term Avabahuka is not mentioned in Nanatmaja Vata Vyadhi, Acharya Shushruta and others have considered Avabahuka as a Vataja Vikara, closely resembles frozen shoulder in modern medicine. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯಜ ನಿಧಾನ ಆಹಾರಜ ನಿಧಾನ ರೂಕ್ಷ ಶೀತ ಅಲ್ಪಾಹಾರ ಅತಿ ಲಘು ಆಹಾರ ಕಟುತಿಕ್ತ ಕಷಾಯ ರಸ ಅತಿ ಸೇವನ ಶುಷ್ಕ ಶಾಖ ಶುಷ್ಕ ಮಾಂಸ ಕೋದ್ರವ ಅನಾಶನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಶನ ವಿಷಮಾಶನ ವಿಹಾರಜ ನಿಧಾನ ಅತಿ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಅತಿ ವ್ಯವಾಯ ಅತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಅತಿ ಧಾವನ ಉಚ್ಚೈರ್ಭಾಷ ವೇಗಧಾರಣ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಜಾಗರಣ ಪಂಚಕರ್ಮ ಅತಿ ಯೋಗ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ನಿಧಾನ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಿಂತಾ ಶೋಕ ಭಯ ಕ್ರೋಧ and anya nidanas like agata ಧಾತುಕ್ಷಯ ಆವರಣ ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ ಆಫ್ ಅವಬಾಹುಕ ಅಂಶದೇಶ ಶ್ರಿತೋ ವಾಯು ಶೋಷಯಿತ್ವ ಅವಬಂಧನಂ ಶಿರಸಂಕೋಚ ತತ್ರಗಃ ಜನಯತಿ ಅವಬಾಹುಕಂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಸುಶ್ರುತ ನಿಧಾನ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 82 ಶ್ಲೋಕ ದ aggravated vata get localized in amsha desha causes amsha bandha shosha and sira sankocha situated at amsha desha produces the disease avabahukam ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿಗತಕ ದೋಷ ಶ್ಲೇಷ್ಮಕ ಕಫ ವ್ಯಾನವಾತ ದೂಷ್ಯ ಶಿರ ಮಾಂಸ ಸ್ನಾಯು ಕಂದರ ಅಸ್ಥಿ ಶ್ರೋತಸ್ ಮಾಂಸವಹ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಸ್ಥಿವಹ ಶ್ರೋತಸ್ ದುಷ್ಟಿ ಸಂಘ ವಿಮರ್ಗ ಗಮನ ರೋಗ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಉಭಯಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಕ್ವಾಶಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಾಹು ಅಧಿಷ್ಠಾನ ಅಂಶ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಚಿರಕಾರಿ ಲಕ್ಷಣಾಸ್ अंशमूलस्थितो वायु शिरसङ्कोच तत्रगः बाहुप्रस्पन्दितहर जनयति अवबाहुकम् एक्सप्लेन्ड in Ashtanga Hridaya Nidhanasthana 15 chapter 43 sloka. Pain in the shoulder region, shoulder stiffness, loss of movement of the arm, shosha that is muscular atrophy. चिकित्सा सूत्र अपबाहु के नावन मूर्ते भक्तं च निरामे स्नेहपानम explained in Ashtanga Samhita Chikitsa Sthana 23rd chapter. In Avabahuka, nasal administration should be administered after intake of food and Snehapana should be given if it is not associated with ama. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, Avabahuke hitam nasyam sneha uttaram bhaktikah. In Avabahuka, nasya and snehotara bhaktika, that is oleation therapy administration after intake of food are beneficial. Panchakarma procedure Snehana, Abhyanga with Mahanarayana Taila, Dhanvantaram Taila, Sweda, Nadi Sweda, and Patrapinda Sweda. Basti, Anuvasana Nirva Basti, and Griva Basti with Vatahara Taila and Vatahara Kvata. Nasya, Anutaila or Shadbindu Taila, Agni Karma on tender points. Physiotherapy goals reduces pain and inflammation, restore joint mobility, improve range of motion, strengthen the muscles. Physiotherapy modalities transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation relieves the pain, ultrasound therapy, deep heating, hot packs or moist heat reduces stiffness, interferential therapies enhances the circulations, exercises, pendulum stretching. Stand next to the table or a chair and lean forward. Let the affected arm hangs down. Gently swing the arm in small circle. Gradually increase the size of the circle. Perform 10 to 15 times in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Other exercise towel stretching. Hold a towel behind your back with one hand and drag it over the shoulder. Use your other hand to hold the bottom and end of the towel. Gently pull the top hand upwards while applying a slightly downward force with the bottom hand. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 to 5 times. Other exercise like finger walk, cross hand stretchings. Home care advices. Continue exercise regularly, avoid cold exposure, use hot packs at home, practice shoulder posture Conclusion: Avabahuka disease is Vatavikara at Amsha Sandhi. So, general Vatavyadi Chikitsa is applicable. The Ayurveda approach for pain management is Nidana Parivarjana, Snehana, Svedana, Agnikarma, and Nasya Karma, and physiotherapy. These methods are effectively in subsiding pain, stiffness, and finally improve the range of motion. Thank you.